So today I am going to be showing you how to create a picture, a self-portrait. So a self-portrait, just a reminder, a self-portrait is a picture of yourself. So this self-portrait is going to be a special self-portrait though. It's not going to be a normal, typical self-portrait. And you'll find out why in a little bit. But first we're going to start off by drawing our face. So what shape should we use for our face? That's right, we're going to use an oval. So I'm going to draw it kind of in the middle of my paper, so I have my paper sideways the long way. And I'm going to draw an oval about this big, kind of towards the top of my paper. So that's where I want you to draw that oval for your face. Then we're going to draw the eyes. So when you draw the eyes are actually about halfway from the top to the bottom of your face. So if you pretend there's a line right through the middle there, that's where your eyes will be. So we're going to draw an oval here and another one over here, almost like a football shape. And then I'm going to draw a half circle, a semicircle inside of that, and the same thing on this side. And then another little circle inside for the pupil, and another one on this side for the pupil. And then we're going to draw a nose. So for the nose, I'm going to draw 2 lines down, 1, 2. And then I'm going to draw a line for the bottom. It's kind of a curvy line. It goes down, squiggle, up, and around. And then I'm going to draw a nice big smile. And you can draw teeth in there, or you can draw lips. I think I'm going to draw a tongue in mine. So you can do the same as me, or you can change it to do something else, because it's a picture of you, so you can decide. Next, I'm going to draw ears. So the ears are going to start about where the eye is, and they're going to go down and to about where the mouth is, like that big. Same thing on this side. Then I'm going to add some eyebrows. And another eyebrow on this side. And you know what I'm noticing? I'm noticing that my picture is pretty symmetrical. Our faces are pretty symmetrical. They're not exactly the same, but they're pretty close. Almost the same on both sides. So the next thing you're going to do is add your hair. So it's a picture of you. So your hair is not the same as my hair. So you have to decide, is my hair straight? Is my hair curly? Is my hair long? Is my hair short? Draw what your hair looks like next. So I'm going to draw hair on here now. And draw some bangs. And then some hair down here. My hair is pretty short. I'm drawing it about like that. Remember that when you're drawing your hair, even if you have short hair, if you feel the sides of your head, you can feel your hair comes down to your ears. So even if you have short hair, your hair is going to start somewhere down here and go up and around to the other side. I'm going to draw little tiny circles inside of my ears, little tiny half circles. That's the part you hear from. You need the sound to be able to go into your ear. So now I have a beautiful picture of myself, a self-portrait. And like I said, we're going to make something special for these ones. It's a little bit unique. So what we're doing for these is we are actually going to make butterfly self-portraits. So instead of a normal body, I'm going to make myself into a butterfly. So to do that, you're going to draw a long, skinny, almost like an oval shape. It kind of looks like you're drawing a popsicle stick on your head. So you got like a popsicle stick body, just like that. So this is my butterfly body. Now the special thing about butterflies is that they are symmetrical. Symmetrical means they are the same on both sides. Whatever is on one side, the same thing as on the other side. So we're going to pretend like this body is our line of symmetry. That's the line that divides one side from the other side. So anything I do on this side of my body, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So we're going to start by making a wing. So I'm going to start right up here towards the top of the body. I'm going to draw a line that goes out, way out like this, curve it down, and then it's going to curve back over and touch the middle of my body. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side because it's symmetrical. So it goes out, way out, curve it down, around, and back, and touch the same spot but on the other side. So they look the same on both sides. It's symmetrical. Next, I'm going to draw another wing below that one. So I'm going to draw a line that curves from the bottom of this wing. It's going to curve almost to the bottom of the body. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. It's going to start at the bottom of the wing and curve down and over to the bottom of the body. So we want our butterfly to be symmetrical, the same on both sides. So next you're going to add designs. You get to add whatever designs you want on your butterfly wings, but remember, anything you do on one wing, you do the same thing on the other side because it's symmetrical. So if you draw a heart over here, you're going to draw a heart on this side. If you make a stripe on this side, you're going to make a stripe on this side. And the same thing for if you're coloring your butterfly. If you color red over here, you're going to make it red over here. If you draw orange down here, you're going to use orange over here. It should be the same on both sides, colors and designs. So you're going to draw your design on there, and then you get to color it very carefully so that you can have that gold metal coloring. Remember, when we use gold metal coloring, we make sure that we use more than just one color. You think about the colors you're using. So maybe when I'm coloring my face, I'll use skin color because I want it to look like me. And when I'm coloring my hair, I'll use the color of my hair. And then I can choose a color for the body. And then maybe I'll use a different color for a shape on this wing, and then use the same one over here because it's symmetrical. But then I can use a different color and a different color, so I use lots of different colors in my picture. So remember to think about the colors that you're using and decide which colors would be best. So I'm going to let you start your designs now. Just don't forget, right now, before you start designs, I want you to write your name in the corner of your paper. Then you can go ahead and use that pencil to start drawing your designs in your picture. Nice work.